depression or sadness for a very long time, just give it a thought, and don't you think that in one or the other situation we go through this, each and every moment can bring with it lots of thoughts. It could be 100, it could be 200, it could be 500, they can be millions of thoughts, and they are, most of them are negative and very few are positive. Now it's up to us which thoughts we want to keep and which we want to let go. What we can do is either we can, हम या तो उन थॉट्स का पालन पोषण कर सकते हैं विदाउट बीइंग अवेयर कि भाई ये हमारे लिए अच्छे भी हैं या नहीं, दे आर हार्मफुल फॉर अस और नॉट, है ना। या तो हम उनका पालन पोषण कर सकते हैं कि आओ भाई आओ, हमारे ही दिमाग मिला है तो मैं आके इनमें बैठो, घर करो, है ना। या फिर बीइंग अवेयर ऑफ इट, आइदर वी कैन बी अवेयर और वी कैन बी अनअवेयर. So either when being aware of our thoughts, they can tell us that either they are good for us or bad for us, either they are harmful for us or not harmful for us. So either we can nourish them, or we can ask them to let go by taking just a deep breath. Now there is a science behind this depression, obviously, but let's just discuss some broader aspect of it. What leads to this depression? When we give the access of our life, that key of our happiness, when we start giving that access of our life, or we when start getting dependent on others for our happiness or sadness or whatever it may be, then this depression takes its form. जब हम अपनी खुशियों की जिम्मेदारी किसी और को सौंप देते हैं, या हम उनसे एक्सपेक्ट करने लग जाते हैं, या वो जो खुशियों की वो जो चाबी है जब हम किसी और के हाथ में सौंप देते हैं, तब ये सिचुएशन आती है दैट विच लीड्स टू दिस काइंड ऑफ कंडीशन. सो what can save us from getting into this depression thing? Just hold that key in your hands, in your own hands. Just take responsibility of your happiness by yourself. People, circumstance, situation, they won't last long. It is you who will be with yourself forever. ये जो लोग हैं या सर्कमस्टेंस हैं या कोई सिचुएशन है जिसने भी तुम्हें दुखी कर रखा है, वो थोड़े समय के लिए ही है, पर तुम्हारा जो खुद के साथ जो समय है या जो साथ है वो ही रहने वाला है. सो अपनी खुशी की जिम्मेदारी लेना, इट मे साउंड और इट मे बी डिफ़िकल्ट, बट by taking care of it, by taking responsibility of our own happiness, we save us from falling into that depression. It is a very thin line by giving that access and by taking responsibility. It brings that shift in us, in our nature, in our behavior, shift from sadness to happiness, from tears to laughter. So just take a little more care of your mind, and just be happy. Keep smiling, be happy, and just smile very often. Thank you.